Hey guys, today we talk about how can you find Stubhub wallet on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Stubhub app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on profile down here. When you just click on profile, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, you keep going down, then you click here on Save Hub Wallet, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here, so you just waiting to open video like this here. So then here add a code, and here you click on add, then it's going to add video here on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are great. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.